You wanna know what's great? When you sit down and you record something for an hour, you have a great time, you learn how to fucking fly a plane with a fucking joystick. But you forgot to record the visual for the game, and all you have is your webcam and audio. Yeah, it's a great time. It's absolutely fucking lovely. I just unlocked this plane in that segment too. So let's go straight to battle, because I'm an idiot.
Alright, bitches. I'm a World War II veteran. You won't believe the things that I've seen. That's scary, mate. This fucking guy.
I see you. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit. I like this so much better. Holy shit. I have someone on my asshole. Shit. Roll over. We're good. We got this. Holy shit, we're good. We're good. Hold it. Hold it together. 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 Fuck that guy. Fuck this Russian. He thinks he's cool because he shows me how the sky is funny. We're going to get our revenge on this man. He's not going to know. Shoot him. I feel like if I had a bigger monitor, it'd probably fit better. You know? I see ya. I see him. Oh shit. Whoa, shit, 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 shit. Fuck. I'm not gonna let these last two deaths define me as a person or an individual. Come on. Oh my god, yes. Oh, dear baby Jesus. Yeah, buddy. Oh, come here, bud. You cannot escape this. Whoa, there you go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god, he is flying too close to the fucking ground for me. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Bad idea. Okay. Dr. Pineapple, hello. Hello, my beautiful baby bee. I'm gonna tickle you. Does this thing have a rear gunner? Is that what? Damn it. Son of a bitch. Look at this yellow bastard. What a dick. Don't jump in front of my bullets and I won't have to check my aim, dick. Oh shit, my... What the fuck? How am I flying right now is what I want to know. I don't have any meshing on my wings. My bottom wings aren't even attached to my frame, and... as far as I know, I don't have wings. As far as physics are concerned, I don't have wings. Oh shit! My god, I am a little fucking stunt pilot. Shit!
God damn it. I was taken out. Down to my last plane. Mother of God.
Let's do this. Oh, we won. Fuck you guys. Woo! Spiral! Oh. Oi! What the fuck? You piece of shit! Why did he crash into me? What a dickhead! Why would he do that? What a piece of shit. Just general garbage guy. Oh shit. Oh shit! Fuck! I landed, so I'm impressed. I'm coming for you. You can't hide from me. Where are you? He's behind me. Hopefully not anymore. It is ridiculously hard to find the one that is not blinking amongst the thousands that are. Come here, buzz boy. Wait for it. 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 And oh, and I'm dead. Hey, Brendan, 2005. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's dead. Oh shit! You guys can chase me if you want. Come on, buddy. Oh shit! Oh, he pulled out. He pulled out in time. That guy, he's a better pilot than I. Mate, stop fucking shooting me. Dude, this guy's like all over me. Come on, leave me alone, bro. Yeah, fuck yes. Whoa, shit. I am so disoriented right now. He is behind me though. So there you are, there you are, there you are, there you are. Hey. Are we just chasing each other in a circle right now? I think me and this guy are chasing each other in circles. If so, that's hilarious. Oh my god, we won. Oh my god. This really hurts my wrist. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and caress that like button like you're its lover. Subscribe for daily content and more. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video, what I should do next, points and tips for this bad boy here, because I need to build some sort of mount to mount this to my desk, because that's frustrating. Also, it shakes literally everything on my desk. My microphone, my camera, it's just a bad time. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.